Hi, let's start BST, that is binary search tree. So it is just a variation of binary tree. Previously we discussed binary tree. If you have not visited that, just go through that video first. What is binary search tree? So a binary search tree is a binary tree in which a node follows some rules. So what are these rules? Like the value of the key in left subtree is less than the value of parent, and the value of the key of right subtree is greater than or equal to value of the parent. So you can say left subtree less than the node and right subtree that is greater than or equal to node. So actually in some book you will find there are two type, like left bias, right bias. So left bias means here it will be less than equal to, right bias means here it will be less than equal to, but default it is right bias. So I'm just explaining this. When you will traverse in order, you will get a sorted list. In lots of question of BST you will see one just pre-order will be given and they are asking post-order. So you need two things, one is pre-order and in-order. So how we will derive post-order? Whenever BST will write in sorted order, that is the in-order. So you can just write in sorted and you can find easily in order, and you have the pre-order, so pre-order in order you can find the post order. So then how to create BST? So very first node is the root. So for other nodes, just start comparing with the root, find proper position and insert. So how will insert? So first locate the proper location, you have to compare and you have to find the proper location. Then start searching from the root to, then if the data is less than the key value, means whatever value you want to insert, if that is less than the parent, then search for the proper location in the left subtree and insert the data, else search for the proper location in the right subtree and insert the data. Let's take an example and create a BST. So now what is the first node? That will be the root. So 4 will be the root. Then 2. So 2 will be left child or right child. 2 is less than 4. So it will be left child. Okay. So next 3. 3 is less than 4. So it will be left part, left subtree. Then 3 is greater than 2. So 3 will be right part of 2. So just insert 3 here. So next is 6. So 6 compare with 4, it is greater than 4. So 6 will insert at right side. Next is 5. 5 is greater than 4, less than 6. So 5 will be left side of 6. So then next is 7. So 7 is greater than 4, greater than 6. So 7 will insert at right side. So next is 1. 1 is less than 4, less than 2. So 1 will be insert here. So like this you can create a BST. Just you need to insert at proper position. Just you have to compare with the root, then it's left subtree and you can find, and you just mark all the left part, all the left subtree that is less than the root, all the right subtree that is greater than the root, and even in the subtree left child is less than parent and right child is greater than parent. So it can be greater than or equal to. So let's find the in order for this. So in order will be left, root, right. Okay, so we'll start from left, like from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. So in order is in sorted order. Okay, so in lots of question you will see they have not written in order. Just you need to find in order, just sort the list and you will find the in order. Next we will do deletion in BST. So after deletion the order must remain same and the tree is modified but not the order. Means after deletion it should be a BST. Okay, so the order means left child, root and right child, that order should be same. So there are three cases. If it is a 0 children or it is a leaf, then simply delete it. If it is a 1 children or 1 subtree, then connect the grandparent. Then if there are both children or both subtree, then replace with the in order successor or predecessor. So what is successor? Successor means you can say in the right subtree, whichever the lowest node, or that is the successor, or you can say if you are writing in order, which is the next node of that, you can say it is a successor. Then predecessor, you can say in the left subtree, which is the highest node, so that is the predecessor, or you can say if you are writing in order, so the previous node of that is called as predecessor. So what is the time efficiency? So time efficiency is theta of log n in average case for searching, insertion and deletion. and in worst case it will be theta of n. Why theta of n? Because it can generate a severely unbalanced tree. So like it can generate left skew or right skew tree. So that's why it is theta of n. So what is left skew and right skew tree? Just see. So this is a left skew tree. So here there are 4 nodes and height is 3. So in case of left skew or even right skew, so it will be, if there are n node, height will be n minus 1. And for traversal of this much node, it will be theta of n. Okay, so for searching, for insertion, for deletion, it will be theta of n. So this is left skew. So how will be the right skew? So right skew will be like this. So this is a right skew example. So it may be in worst case binary search tree can be left skew or right skew. So in that case it will be theta of n. So next we'll do with example like how to delete the node. Suppose one BST is given with this much node. It is same as the previous tree, just 9 I added. And how will delete 5, 7 and 4? Just see. So now suppose you want to delete 5. So how will delete 5? Simply delete 5. Simply just disconnect. And after that you just free 5. 5 don't have any child. 5 will come in the first condition. So it is 0 child. So you can just simply delete it. So after deletion the tree will look like this. So it is same as previous, just 5 is deleted. So now suppose you want to delete 7. So how will delete 7? You want to delete this 7. So just delete 7 and you just connect whatever the 7 child with 7 parent. Means if there is just one child, just connect with the grandparent, means this will connected. 6 will connected with 9. So it just look like this after deletion of 7. Suppose now you want to delete 4, you want to delete this. Okay, then what we will do, because this is the this have both the child, it have left child or right child, or you can say it have both soft tree. So what we will do, there are two cases, either you can replace with the in order successor or in order predecessor. So what will be in order successor? In order successor is 6. Either you can replace 4 with 6 or you can replace 4 with the in order predecessor, that is 3. So in both way we can do. So I'm just explaining both way and one you can follow. Suppose I'm doing in order predecessor, means I will replace 4 with 3. So how it will look like? So these are the two ways. So after deletion of 4, here I replace with in order predecessor, means I replace with 3, and here I replace with 6. So after replace with 6, this tree will look like this, and after replace with 3, this will look like this. So it's up to you how you are replacing. So there are 3 cases. If there is a 0 child, then just delete it. If 1 child, then connect with the grandparent. If both the child, then either you can connect with the, either you can replace with another successor or predecessor. So this much is about BST. I cover insertion, deletion and running time. So that is enough for GATE exam. So thank you.